friends, today I am going to show you how to make better thumbnails in Photoshop 7.0. So let's get started. So let's go out from Google and go to Photoshop. This point, I mean Photoshop. Photoshop. Let's go to Photoshop 7.0. So let's click it. We have to wait. Okay. Now let us choose a new page. You can click on here by going on clicking on file and choose new, or you can just click on n n n and you can click on control n. Now we have this. I'll choose white. You can choose these if you like, but I'll choose white. So okay, here is perfect thumbnail shape. You can see the size and write it. It's like this as a thumbnail shape. RGB color, RGB color, the color. Okay, that's all. Now this is the same size as that. So let's click on here. Text. Yes, this is text. Delete. We always have this problem. Okay, now let's choose the fill of this backdrop. Click on the magic wand. Click on the magic wand, then select everything. Then choose a color by clicking here. We can choose a color like this, or by clicking here. Let's choose like a soft pink. I think I like the color much better as soft pink because I'm not a pink lover. Okay. Now click on backspace. Okay, then click on this. No, don't do nothing. Click on the rectangle tool. This is also rectangle tool, but this is more better rectangle tool. But it can make rectangles. And Control Z to make it go back. Now let's choose a design. I will kind of write my game's name. I don't know how to spell ping pong, but still I'll try. Let's see, it's black. It's very tiny. You can choose the, like, what I'm going to say. Okay, it's like, what are these? Oh, these are squiggly lines. Okay, so P, oh, P, G P O N G. Pong pong. Like delete this. P O N G. Pong pong. G A M E. Kim. Now let's deselect it and select the text. Then make it larger. Why it's not getting larger? Hello? Why it's not getting larger? Okay, it's gone. So why the textile is so small? Let me check. Yeah, you have to write with that, but I cannot understand why the text is so small. Let's choose it like this. Now let's write the text. Okay, that's too much big. Okay, that size is nice. That size is nice. What? Oh, this is not nice. Let's choose the size bit of this because I don't want it to be too much big. And once I have used this textile for my game, see for something. Let me find my favorite textile. Okay, this one is my favorite textile. Okay, let's type here. P P O N G. P O N G. Pong pong. And G A M E. Game. Now let's click this and select this, then deselect it or something. We just like put this right here. Okay. Put this right there. We're gonna use arrow keys also. It'll work arrow keys. This is nice. Let's move it a little bit up right. Now it's in the center. And also I'll say how to make a logo. I'll also make a I'll also make a tutorial how to make a logo for your Scratch account because you have to put a logo. You just don't want a blank Scratch that hand. Like, let me show you what I'm talking about. Where are they? Where are they? Delete. What's this? Delete. Let me show you. Ah, 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 ah. Profile, there will be a scratch cat and blank. Nothing. And it's very simple. Like this scratch cat's like this only part. But it's all going to be. Let me show you how it's going to be. How it will be. It will be white. No simple tone outline. No simple outlines. Now let's choose the blue backdrop because I am showing you how it will look like that time. Or if you already know, you'll know what I'm talking about with Mac. Okay. Now let's make the that size to like 100. Okay, this many. And it'll be like this. it'll look like this. Okay, if you don't have the logo that I wanted to show you. Now let's go on to the tutorial. Okay, pong pong game. Actually ping pong game, but I say pong pong game. Now let's give you a sprite. Let's go to the shaping tool and put here a shape and a square shape. Let's pick a color, which is a navy blue color. A purple color, fine. A purple color, let's put this right there. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the mouse. We have a black mouse. We have a black mouse. It's so disappointing. Okay, now let's choose this. And let's like deselect it. Deselect. Okay, let's go there. Let's put this right there. Now let's put just around. Um, round or oval shape. I didn't want oval shape. Let's choose that whole black and put this right there. Choose that whole with black. Okay. This not remains it. Okay, let's now put it right there. This on. I clicked on this. Okay, let's put this here. It's pink, white. Okay. Huh? Okay. Okay, this is a thumbnail. It looks like this because I didn't constraint more in here. So let's go on file for now and click on save as. Then just save it on anything, everywhere or anywhere you like. Anywhere you like. So let's save it on our downloads folder or desktop. Let's put on desktop. Save. I never put something on desktop. Now you can go to Scratch. At all. I'm just like I have made a ping pong game, but the thumbnail was different. So let's like create a new project. Create project. Okay, now let's like delete Scratchcat, upload. Go to where we saved it. Thumbnail. Which thumbnail? Like see what it is. Oh. Somewhere scratch 0. Oh yes, this one. Sorry. I cannot find it. Let me check every single new song. What is this? Oh, Rothschild. My dad. He watched them. Okay, these were what I work on. I cannot find it on documents. Okay, let me just say that I did this on Photoshop. So let's like select it and save it how we save stuff. Okay, now it comes, but it's not a size of thumbnail. And if you go to this, it looks like this. Okay, so now now let me make myself blower. Okay, so now let's I mean now it's time for me to go. If you like this video, give us a big like, and subscribe to my channel. So bye. In the next video, we'll play Griff Patches Minecraft.